Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. It's shoe time. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. Let it focus. Get that light out the way. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Low SE White Mint and Foam Black, aka the Jordan 1 Low Tie-Dyes, I believe. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Like I said, I'm not really a low shoe fan. I got a pair for staring, and said I might as well show you guys. Materials on this shoe, in my opinion, are not that great. They're the standard Jordan 1 mid materials. They just put them on a low, which is pretty weird. You get an extra pair of tie-dye laces, black laces in the shoes. Not a bad shoe, in my opinion. I've seen worse Jordan 1 lows. I think the price tag for this is about $110. So if you got $110, these might be headed to the outlet. See, I got a little scratch or something on the bottom of mine, but that's okay. Like I said, it's a staring pair. See the black toe guard. Black 23 on the laces. Normal drop man. Let me see if there's anything in the shoe. Now there's not really anything in there. It's just a normal insole. It's the same color as the laces. Like I said, black mud guard. White standard leather Nike background to the black Nike spruce break up. Tie-dye upper. Tie-dye back. Tie-dye back with the Jordan 1 low logo. You know how they printed on the back. Same thing on this side. Not a bad shoe. Not a bad shoe. Seems like the toe guard might be synthetic leather. Other than that, everything on the shoe seems to be okay. So if you're looking for something to match a nice outfit with for the summertime, this shoe could be it for you guys. I'll let you guys see what it's going to look like when it's on your foot. I think probably the best part of this shoe is the back. So that's probably what you're going to want to show off when you're wearing it. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the show coming up. What shoes you guys are buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there. Getting the season of the lows started.
Everybody fucking jump!